Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. 3 days to go till end of the year. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this news paper an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one, the binary puzzle. Let me zoom this in. Binary puzzle number 7693. And this one is a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, in a row or in a column, yes, 6 O's and 6 ones. So let's get started. Let me start with the O, double O, here one, there one, 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 double O, here one, there one. Now double ones, the double 1, here no, there no, 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 double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Do we have more double O's, double 1s? No. Well, between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So this will be number 6. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Okay. Well. Come on. Oh. Bumped the camera. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overlooked. Double 1. Yeah, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between those O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlook these 2 double 1s. There no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot place number 6 there, the 6th one. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in the first column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 here, the 6th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Now we have a double O here. So here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And between the 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is number 6. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I cannot. I think it's time for comparing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also, O and a 1. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. We have one completed row, I believe. No, two. Okay. Double one here. Oh, one. Not the same. Not the same. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completed columns. We have here 5, double 1, no, 101. This binary is second column, and the fourth column almost the same. Let me compare the columns. 1 1 again, 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, now I can continue. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be O, this should be a 1. If I place number 6 here, we still have 3 ones in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be O, this should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O, so the rest are 1s. Alright, between the 1s comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we need also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and this is number 6. So that box should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So I need number 6 here. Alright, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Alright, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this is number 6. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Well, seems like I need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first 1, second 1, third 1, fourth 1, and fifth 1. I cannot place the sixth one here. Otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so the rest are ones. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wow. I think we need to compare again. How about this column? This one. Yeah. This column and that column. Let me compare 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 5. But it's not helping me. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. Here should be the number 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How about here? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Seems like I need to compare again. Yeah. How about this row and that row? All right. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. And we have an O here, this should be a 1. Now we have a double O here, here 1, there 1. Now we have a double 1 here, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 17 minutes. Well. Having troubles with this one, a lot of comparing, 3 times I believe. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or do it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.